Welcome back, everybody. It's time to look for new positions and track some more transactions, so let's get right to it. Okay, here we are on the web application MyATMM.com, and some new functionality and features have been added over this past year, and I am just now able to get around to creating some videos. This one happens to be with the Premiums tab. On the Premiums tab, I have added the ability to break it down by months and also by type. So if you click the drop down, you can, by default, it summarizes it for the entire year, and you can break it out into each individual month. And when you do that, you can actually get down to the day detail, and the day detail is the day of the month for that month. So you can see how much you've earned in premiums for each day, and the type. And actually, let me go back to the day. You can actually see the daily average. It'll show you how much you're making, on average each day. And the type will actually allow you to see. By default, it summarizes options and dividends, but this gives you the ability to see just options or just dividends. So you can see how much you're bringing in for just dividends for those months. And also, again, you can break that down to the day as well if you wanted to. Um, so yeah, some new features and functionalities on the premiums tab, and there's lots more to come. We'll create other videos to detail those changes as well. I want to thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and go out today to myatmm.com and get your free account so you can start tracking your own transactions. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.